Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can turn AOL into the old basic mode. So some people like the old one and some people like the new version of AOL Mail. But if you are the people who like the old version and it makes the work quite easier and it will save your time, then why not switch to the old one? I'm going to teach you how you can switch it. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open any browser on your PC. Then go to aolmail.com and log into your account. You will see this type of interface once you log into your account. AOL Mail can be used to send mail, and you can see that there are various functionalities which you can explore. Now you can turn back to the old version or the basic version. All you need to do is go to settings, which is here on the top right corner. You can see the gear icon over here. Just go ahead and tap on it and you can see more settings. Click on more settings and you can see switch to basic mail. So you can click on switch to basic mail and tell them why you are switching, so it feels faster. You can write some additional feedback to them as well, and it might be beneficial for other customers as well. So go ahead and click switch to basic mail. After you do so, in a while the mail system will reload and you can notice that you have now switched to the basic old mail of AOL. This way it will load faster and it will take lesser data and it will save your data as well. So if you want to switch back to the standard version of AOL Mail, it is possible. You can see on the right hand side it is written switch to the standard version of AOL Mail. Anytime you want to switch back to the new version or old version, you can do this. So in order for you to switch to the new version, just go ahead and click on this link which is given. After that, you will be turned back to the newest version. I hope this video about how you can turn or how you can reverse the AOL Mail to the old and basic version was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.